The Ingenuity Mars helicopter and the Mars 2020 Perseverance rover landed on the Martian surface on 18th Feb 2021. This is the first time that an aircraft has been sent to another planet to attempt a powered controlled flight. Let's know more about Ingenuity, its missions, and see why it's important for future missions to Mars. Perseverance rover will carry out all critical objectives of NASA's Mars 2020 mission, which will include the search for past life and to collect Mars samples. But the Perseverance is not alone. Percy is escorted by a small drone called Ingenuity that has few separate objectives. Being small and weighing just 4 pounds, Ingenuity is currently sticking onto the belly of Percy until it is ready for its first test flight, which will be roughly after 60 days of landing on Mars. Here are some details on the spacecraft. Weight: about 4 pounds on Earth and about 1.5 pounds on Mars. Height: 1.6 feet or about half a meter. Propeller: 4 carbon fiber blades arranged in 2 4-foot long counter-rotating blades that spin at roughly 2400 rpm. Landing legs: 4 carbon composite landing legs, each 1.26 feet long, giving the helicopter about 5 inches of clearance above the ground. Power: solar arrangement on top of the propeller system that charges 6 lithium-ion batteries, used for heating, flight, and other basic functions. All other main components of this helicopter, like its onboard computer, batteries, sensors, heaters, and telecommunication equipments, all fit into this cube, which is in the size of a small tissue box. Ingenuity is just a technology demonstration to test powered flight on another planet. Once the engineers find a suitable helipad location for Ingenuity, the Perseverance rover will shed the landing cover, rotate the helicopter to a legs down position, and drop it gently to the helipad. Ingenuity will then perform series of test flights over a 30 Martian day experimental window. The very first test flight will only be a few feet from the ground, which will hover about 20 to 30 seconds and then land. This will be a great achievement as the Martian atmosphere is more than 99% less dense than Earth's atmosphere. That's one reason why Ingenuity is designed as a lightweight spacecraft. Later on, further flight tests will be conducted by gradually increasing the distance and altitude. Maximum altitude will be up to 5 meters and maximum flight time will be around 90 seconds, which will be enough to cover about 300 meters. Throughout helicopter's test missions, the rover will assist with all communications to the Earth and back. Ingenuity can also capture images and help in navigation. For this, it is fitted with 2 cameras, one color cam with a horizon-facing view for terrain images and one black and white which will take pictures that be used for navigation in real time by calculating position and altitude. Ingenuity is a small robot. It will make some of its own decisions based on parameters set by engineers on Earth. Ingenuity also has a programmable thermostat that will keep it warm on the cold temperature of Mars. Its body is designed to survive extreme cold and harsh radiations. All sensor data and terrain images will be analyzed by Ingenuity in real time to ensure it stays on the flight path as programmed by engineers. If this experiment with a helicopter succeeds, the data returned could benefit future explorations to Mars that may involve robots and humans. Future helicopters may come in different sizes, each with different tasks. Some will have powerful cameras and more flight times and might even help humans in carrying lightweight loads from one part of Mars to another. At the time of making this video, the helicopter is still attached to Percy's belly, waiting for its testing days. Once all tests for Ingenuity are completed, Perseverance will start focusing on other critical science missions in Jezero crater. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like and share it with your friends. See you soon. Bye.